Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the router SSID and Wi-Fi password, and ensure the network uses 4 GHz if required. This avoids failed handshakes. Power the Canon G3000 and remove any USB cable so the printer will search Wi-Fi. If your router supports WPS, press its WPS button now and then choose WPS on the printer. This automates WPA2 authentication. Once done, if WPS is unavailable, switch to manual mode and prepare to enter the SSID and password on the printer menu. Now access the printer menu. Tap Setup, then Device Settings, and choose LAN settings so the G3000 will scan for nearby networks. Select your SSID from the list rather than typing it to avoid spelling errors. However, if hidden, choose Enter SSID and input it exactly, including capitalization. Enter the Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard, making sure special characters are correct so WPA2 will authenticate. Once you confirm, the printer will request an IP via DHCP and display a connection success message when complete. To finish, install the Canon G3000 drivers on your computer using the network installation option so the software can discover the printer by IP. After installation, print a test page and optionally print a network status sheet from the printer to confirm its IP address and signal strength. If the printer doesn't appear, reboot the router and printer, then retry. Make sure you use the correct SSID and password and that there's no Wi-Fi interference. This resolves most common connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.